Today I'm going to teach you how to split a PDF page into two separate pages using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you're working with documents that have two-page spreads or when you need to separate content that's been scanned side by side onto a single page. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file you want to split. This will open your document in the main viewing area where you can begin the splitting process. Now, look to the upper left toolbar and click on Menu. From the drop-down options, select Undo, Redo, and More, then choose Take a Snapshot. This snapshot tool is what allows you to capture specific portions of your PDF page. You'll notice your cursor changes, indicating you're ready to select an area. Click and drag a rectangle over the first half of your PDF page. You have complete control over how you divide it, whether you want to split it directly down the middle or adjust the selection based on the content layout. Once you've made your selection, a message will pop up. Go ahead and click OK to confirm the snapshot. Next, click Menu again in the upper left corner and select Print. This step is where you'll convert your snapshot into a separate PDF page. Navigate to the Printer section and click the drop-down menu beside it. From this list, select Adobe PDF as your printer option. This ensures your snapshot will be saved as a new PDF file rather than being sent to a physical printer. Now navigate to Orientation and select whether you want Portrait or Landscape mode depending on how your content is laid out. Once you've made your selection, click Print. A Save dialog will appear, prompting you to choose where you want to save this new file on your computer. Select the folder where you'd like to store the first half of your split PDF. Then rename the file to something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Click Save, and Adobe will process your snapshot into a new PDF document. This new file will open in a separate tab, confirming that your first half has been successfully created. Go back to the first tab where your original PDF is still open. You'll now repeat the same process for the second half of the page. Click Menu in the upper left toolbar, then select Undo, Redo, and More, followed by Take a Snapshot. This time, click and drag a rectangle over the second half of your PDF page. Make sure you're capturing the portion you didn't select the first time around. When the message pops up, click OK to confirm your snapshot. Click Menu once more and select Print. Navigate to the Printer section and click the drop-down menu to select Adobe PDF again. Choose your preferred orientation, either Portrait or Landscape, then click Print. Select your destination folder, rename this second file appropriately, and click Save. Adobe will process this snapshot and open it in a new tab as well. You've now successfully split one PDF page into two separate PDF pages, each containing half of the original content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.